We have our cinnamon, our water, and now we're gonna
You
do
sound like a
the
total
cinnamon
retard.
challenge. Come here, you have to.
And now we're gonna do the cinnamon challenge.
Oh god. Okay.
Okay, wait, I don't want you guys bit in my face. There.
Fuck this. This
Oops.
is gonna be so hard. Okay, bro. Okay.
Bottoms up.
Dang, you guys are annoying.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
That was horrible.
Ugh, I'm never doing that again. I swear to God, if you spit on my head, I'm gonna kill you. Okay, I'm good.
It really wasn't that bad.
I'm good.